The bill did not arrive right after the appointment. It came months later, long after the visit was over, long after the insurance claim had processed, long after the patient thought the whole thing was finished. The envelope was plain. The balance was not. $684. And the line that made it confusing was simple: amount due now. But when the insurance portal opened, the claim did not look new. It showed processed. It showed paid. And that is when the question changed from "why am I being billed?" to "which system has the current balance?" This is a fictional story, but the paperwork problem is common. A medical bill can arrive late. A provider account can update slowly. A statement can be generated before the insurance adjustment is fully reflected, and the bill in your mailbox may not tell the whole story. So, before you pay a late-arriving medical bill, slow the story down.
The first step is not calling angry. It is matching the documents. Take the bill and find the date of service. Find the provider name. Find the account number or claim number. Then open the explanation of benefits. The EOB is not a bill. It is the insurance company's record of how the claim was processed. It can show the original charge, the allowed amount, the insurance payment, the adjustment, and the patient responsibility. In this story, the provider bill said $684. The EOB showed the claim had already been processed with a patient responsibility of $96. That does not mean the patient should ignore the bill. It means the bill and the insurance record need to be reconciled. Same visit, two different balances. That is the mystery.
The next move is to check timing. Medical billing is not always instant. A provider may send a statement before all insurance activity posts to the patient account. Sometimes the insurance payment posts first. Sometimes the adjustment posts later. Sometimes the provider system generates a statement from an older balance. That is why the question to billing is very specific. I received a bill months after my visit, but my insurance shows this claim was processed. Can you verify whether the insurance payment and adjustment have posted to my account? Then ask, what is the current patient responsibility after insurance? Not the original charge, not the old statement balance, the current patient responsibility after insurance.
If the numbers do not match, do not guess. Ask billing to review the account against the EOB. Ask whether a corrected statement can be issued. Ask whether the account can be placed on hold while they review it. And ask for a reference number before the call ends. The important thing is not just getting an answer. It is creating a paper trail. Representative name, date of call, reference number, expected review timeline, corrected balance in writing. Because a late bill can feel urgent, but the safest response is organized.
In this case, the late bill was not the final balance. The insurance payment had posted. The adjustment had not fully appeared on the statement. After review, the balance changed from $684 to $96. The bill was real. The timing was the problem. So the takeaway is this. If a medical bill arrives months later, do not assume the amount is wrong, but do not assume it is current either. Match it to the EOB, check the insurance portal, ask whether the payment and adjustment posted, ask for the current patient responsibility after insurance, and get the corrected balance in writing. The sentence to remember is, can you verify the current patient responsibility after insurance? That question can turn a confusing late bill into a clear next step. This is the Healthcare Money Map. Follow for medical bill mysteries, plain English healthcare paperwork, and the questions to ask before money leaves your account. General education only, not medical, legal, financial, insurance, or benefits advice.